Hi students, good evening everybody. In indefinite integration, look at the question number 18 of exercise 8.3. Question, first solution, integral 1 by 1 minus sin x by 2 dx equal to integral 1 by 1 minus sin x by 2 into 1 plus sin x by 2 upon 1 plus sin x by 2 dx. What did I do there? Multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x by 2. Since we have 1 minus sin x by 2 in the denominator, I am multiplying and dividing with 1 plus sin x by 2. Okay. 1 plus sin x by 2 write as it is in the numerator upon, it looks like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square dx. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So here we can write 1 plus sin x by 2 upon 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta can be cos square theta from the first identity. Do you remember this identity? So cos square x by 2 we can write cos square x by 2 dx, right? So we can split like this. Integral 1 by cos square x by 2 dx plus integral sin x by 2 by cos square of x by 2 dx. Splitting. So integral 1 by cos square means we can write secant square x by 2 dx plus integral sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. So secant x by 2 tan x by 2 dx. Now we know the integration of secant square, that is tan x by 2. You should never forget the coefficient of x here, 1 by 2 plus here secant x by 2 tan x by 2 is secant x by 2. Again you should never forget the coefficient of x here, 1 by 2, that should be written in the denominator. So this 2 will come up. So 2 tan x by 2 plus secant x by 2. I am taking 2 common out plus c. Therefore, integral 1 by 1 minus sin x by 2 dx equal to 2 of tan x by 2 plus secant x by 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. Okay? Let us see the second question now. Second question says integral sin x into root of 1 minus cos 2x dx. Integral sin x into 1 minus cos 2 theta, that can be written as 2 sin square x dx. As I told you, cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? From here 2 sin square theta, bring this side 1 minus cos 2 theta. So in the place of 1 minus cos 2 theta we can write 2 sin square theta. Okay? Now this root 2 can be kept outside. Integral sin x into sin x, right? Sin square x dx. But we know again sin square x means we can write 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Again same formula we are using here. So root 2 into integral 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 integral cos 2x dx. So root 2 into 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2 cos 2x integration is sin 2x upon 2 plus c. So this we can write root 2 times cancel 1 by root 2x minus here also 1 by 2 root 2 sin 2x plus c. Here root 2 is there, so root 2 times cancel 2 root 2 I am writing directly. Therefore integral sin x into root of 1 minus cos 2x dx equal to x by root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 sin 2x plus c. That is the end of solution. That is the simplified answer. Right? Hope it is clear. Thank you.